Good morning, friends. I am Shwetali, teacher. Welcome to KB Banda English Medium School online class. Today we are going to learn History Standard 6, lesson number 2, Sources of History. Now we are going to learn material source, written source, oral source, sources of ancient Indian history, and prescription to be taken while writing history. First one is material source. A number of objects used by our concepts still they exist. Some inscriptions from the past have been recovered. Sources like those that help us to understand our history. History can also be learned through costumes and traditions, folk arts, folk literatures, and well as the historical documents. All these are known as sources of history. There are of three types: material source, written source, and oral source. First one is material source. Man uses a variety of things in his day-to-day life. They are known as artifacts. Artifacts used by the humans in the past provides use of valuable information about a life in the ancient time. We can decide the period of ancient artifacts like the earthen pots by studying the shape, color, design, and Asian postures. The ornaments and other artifacts throw the light on a social interaction. We get the information about the diet of the people from the remains of the food grains, seeds, and bones of animals found in the exhibitions. Also, we found the remains of the houses and buildings built in a different historical period. We also find the Asian coins. See, look at this picture, Asian coins and cells. All this gives us the information about the human activities in the past. All such the artifacts, articles, movements or their events are called the material source of history. Coins, postures, ornaments, and earthen pots. These are material source. Now next one, written source. The Stone Age people have recorded many events and expressed their emotions in a painting or a rocks. It also only after the thousand of years that man learned the art of history. In the beginning, the humans used the symbol and sign to record their thousands of ideas. In the beginning, the man wrote on a posture unbroken bricks using the pointed objects. He also used the branch, tree, break to written on. As his the experience and knowledge inscribed, he begins to write a different ways. He begins to record events that took place around him. Accounts of the processing of the royal countries were also written systematically. Man rules has the order, judicial domination, etc. Inscriptions on a stone or the copper plates. Look at this picture, a copper plates. Over a period of a time, many forms of the literature developed. They include books or the religious and the social subjects, plays, poets, trilogies, and scientific work. All this literature help us to understand the history of the various historical period. These sources are known as a written source. Copper plates, inscription on rocks, and Brujapatra. You know Brujapatra? Brujapatra means writing sheets made from the bark of a birch tree. Buruj is the Sanskrit name of the birch tree. Birch trees are found in Kashmir. Now, last one is oral source. OVs, folk songs, folk tales, and similar literature is passed on from a generation to generation by the words of mouth. This literature is not in the written form, it is another or unknown. These types of literature preserved by the old oral tradition from the oral source of history. Look at this picture. Some movies are there. पांडुरंग पिता रुक्मिणी माझी बया, आषाढ वारी एला पुंडलिका आला न्याया. Lines from the folk song. महानगरी उजनी लई पुण्यवान दानी, तेथे नांदत होता राजा, सुखी होती प्रजा. तिन्ही लोकी गाजावाजा, असा उजनीचा इक्रम राजा. Now next one is sources of ancient Indian history. The ancient period of the Indian history extended from the Stone Age to the 18th century CE. We learn about the Stone Age period of Indian history through the archaeological excavation, and 7 scripts had not developed at that time on a written sources are available. Last point, prescriptions to be taken while writing history. It is necessary to take the precautions while using these sources to writing history. Writing documents cannot be said writing documents cannot be said to authentic just become it is old. It needed to be examined as carefully as to be who work it, why and when it was written. The consequences drawn on a basis of the various genuine documents have to be processed as rocking and recorded with one another, such as the critical analysis is very important in the writing of history. All of you understand, students? Good. Thank you so much.